how to set profile picture on Facebook page. Now let's say you have this Facebook page that you want to set your profile picture into. Now all you have to do in order for you to add a profile picture to it is to go to your specific page. All you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and tap on this arrow down right here in order for you to switch to your Facebook page. Right there. After tapping on your Facebook page, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and then tap on this camera icon on the little corner right here. The next thing to do is to tap on choose profile picture and choose a profile picture that is appropriate to your Facebook page. Let's say right here. Now you can write a caption to it or you can share your update to this newsfeed. You can make the profile picture temporary or add a frame to it. The next thing to do once you're done is to tap on save right here. And now you have set a profile picture on your Facebook page. So that's how to set profile picture on Facebook page. Hope we help.